Hey guys, beauty.
Guys, here's the thing.
And
I'm performing a test here and an unprecedented error appeared, right, for me in SQL Server. Yeah, I looked for some solutions and, as always, the majority came from the gringa, right?
and as usual I will share with you.
I will try not to extend this video.
I say that to everyone, right?
But, for Giano, who is very detail-oriented from an analytical profile, I end up making this mistake. But I will try to be brief there.
Here's the error.
Let me explain. It's an error he got in the data import wizard here for SQL Server, okay? I'm doing a test here. Look, create more or less, basically, here a page to fetch some data, okay?
With the login screen, but come on.
The focus here is on SQL Server, and it showed an error in the,
From what I've seen here in some tutorials, right, even in this Stack Overflow,
from what I understand,
it's a putz, man, I'm going to use, I don't know if it's the right word,
but it's kind of an incompatibility of,
from the version of,
from Excel, in this case, right? I am using XLS file with SQL version.
So the solution I found was to make it more or less compatible. Okay,
But let me show you the error here. Maybe it's not the error.
so the solution is possible for you, right?
But not to take up too much of your time, let me show you what the error is. So you go here. Let's do a normal import, right, of data. The bank here that I had already created, right button, that basic lock. Let's see if it doesn't unlock. I'll pause. Beauty, tasks, Windows, tasks, import data. Okay. Clicking with the normal left button, it opens the assistant here. It's the consecrated one. Let's play here.
And come on, beauty.
Dude, let me pause the song here.
Okay, I paused the music. So, I'm going to show the error, okay?
I'm going to do it here as if I were doing it for the first time. It opens the wizard, goes to next. Let's go to the data source. In this case, it's Excel. Excel. Right, his path here. Look, that's it. Come on. This test here. Let me see. Look. Here it has the modification date. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to open it. Okay. You can see here that it comes standard in the version of Excel 2007 to 2010. Okay.
So let me put it here. I'll leave this one the way I did it the first time, then move on.
Here, key gave error. Look.
Did not complete the operation. Additional information, such.
He got this error. Okay. What did I do, man?
I opened it in Excel. I opened the spreadsheet, right?
I mean open it again. I opened the spreadsheet here, like, file, save as, I already saved it, so I'll just show it here for you. I'll put it here and look for it, right?
Then I renamed the worksheet. In fact, I'm using the same name. You have to use the same name, right, which goes to the database.
And here, look, I put the workbook version of Excel, 97 to 2003, okay?
Then you save. I'm going to cancel here because I already did, right?
Okay, I'll cancel here and let's go again.
Yeah, the bank, right? Tasks, import the data. Wizard, come on. I'll play it here, to be nice. Move on. Where the data? Let's go to Microsoft Excel, and now that's it. I'm going to the version that I changed now.
Today we go from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. in 1 minute. Open. Here it is.
I turned from 97 to 2003, the version that, first line has names and columns and move on, okay?
Then the continuation here of the installation, right, of the import, SQL Server native client, okay? And that's it. Localhost, such, machine location, okay? I'm not going to, as we've already worked here, I'm not going to extend it to you as promised, okay? So that's it, for this error code. Let me repeat it here one more time. Let me see if it saves the code here. Right, for this error, it's not here anymore. Okay, but that error there, okay?
I believe this is it. Perhaps this incompatibility of versions. Guys, I didn't look too deep, okay?
I took a look at some tutorials, as I mentioned about the gringa. Some even talked about changing the configuration of the importer of files, data. Some even passed some paths. But well, as you are connected there, those who follow the channel know that I'm also learning. I'm starting now. So I didn't even go to these more complex solutions. In fact, I didn't find this solution in the tutorials. I deduced it and it worked, okay? So yeah, as I told you, I hope it works for you too. But if it doesn't, I'll also guide you through the tutorial on SQL Server itself. The SQL Server forums, Stack Overflow, Microsoft. There are some national solutions too, just that didn't work, okay? I read more or less the gringa and came to this conclusion and it worked, okay? I hope it helps you. If the error message is the same and you find another solution and want to share it in the comments, thank you guys, okay? Thanks. Thanks for your attention there. Good luck. Good programming everyone. I'll finish this sharpish. Thanks.